With regards to your car engine, do any of these issues sound familiar? Chewed radiator hoses? Shredded electrical harnesses? Rodent nesting material in the engine compartment? If so, car engine rodent repellent gel will solve these types of problems for good. Car engine rodent repellent gel is not a gimmick. It's a professional-grade pest control solution for any destructive rodent problem. Unlike other rodent repellents, our innovative gel formula is EPA registered, NSF certified, and US patented. Here's why professional auto mechanics and regular car owners are using car engine rodent repellent gel. Save yourself thousands in repair costs. Car engine rodent repellent gel protects your vehicle, boat and machine wiring, and engine compartments from pests that can cause damage requiring extensive repairs. Works on anything with a motor or wiring. This versatile, all-natural, non-toxic, EPA-registered product is perfect for use on cars, trucks, boats, ATVs, farm equipment, tractors, RVs, motorcycles, and more. It's a must for electric vehicles. Protects engine wires and hoses. Engine wires are particularly vulnerable to damage caused by rats. If rats chew away the insulation covering the wires, this can cause short circuits, resulting in expensive damage to the engine. When you replace the wires, the insulation on your new wires might simply be chewed again. Prevents nesting. Rats might use the insulating fabric in the engine as bedding for nests. The engine also has many nooks and crannies that could function as safe shelters for their babies. Created by professional exterminators. Our product is NSF certified safe and effective. It makes use of powerful pharmaceutical-grade capsaicin, chili pepper, that's safer than dangerous toxic pesticides and send rats away for good. Extraordinary value. One caulking tube will protect up to 2 vehicles with a single application that can last up to 2 years. Unlike gimmicky, scented spray deterrents, our powerful professional-grade gel formula stays highly potent and effective for the entire time. Satisfaction guaranteed. We stand by our products. We've perfected our formula through years of use by professional pest control operators worldwide and are confident that you'll see outstanding results when our product is used as directed. Car engine rodent repellent gel. Professional-grade pesticide. 100% non-toxic. Safe for pets. EPA registered. Made in USA. Website: detourgel.com. Phone: 714-459-0328. Email: detourgel@twc.com.